Alright, the last video for counting rhythms. Hopefully at this point things are a little bit more cleared up. You have a better understanding. If not, please feel free to send me a message or comment on the Google Classroom. So, as you can see in the screen, we have what you guys did for the assignment, which some of you didn't understand, but some of you did. So let's see. Let's put that to the test. So here it is. Again, we have the 4 beats per measure. You can see we have 2 pairs of 8 notes and a half note. We have in the next measure a quarter note, pair of 8 notes and half notes. And seeing all these notes together would probably seem intimidating, but again, when you take it chunk by chunk, it resolves itself fairly quickly. So we're going to go ahead and zoom this in. I'm going to go to the good old trusty board. And now we're going to start with the first one. So the first one here, 4 beats per measure, same thing that was on the assignment. We have the first pair of 8 notes. And again, like counting, we always start with the number 1. We have the big 1, the and, then we have the half note. And again, we're trying to add up to 4. So the next number after 1 is a big 2. Takes 2 beats, so we're going to put the other beat right up there. And then we have the big 4 and the and. And again, the way you would clap that would be, again, big numbers you clap, little numbers you do not clap. It would be 1 and 2, 3, 4, and. The next one, we have a quarter note, pair of 8 note, and half note. Quarter note has 1 beat, so the big 1 would go first. And then we have that pair of 8 notes. Next number after 1 would be a big 2, the and then finally the half note, which occupies 2 beats. So we'd have 3 and a little 4. So let's have you try and clap that by yourself. Hopefully you will. Give you a couple seconds, and then I will clap it to see if you're correct. All right, so hopefully you got it right, and it sounds like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now the next one, we have different time signature, 3 beats per measure. You have 2 quarter notes and a pair of 8 notes. Again, quarter note has 1 beat, so it's a big 1, big 2, 3, and you would clap that as 1, 2, 3, and. In this one, you should all know it's a dotted half note, just like in the previous video. 3 beats, so big 1, little 2, little 3. Now the last one, we have almost the same thing as what we had in the last one, just reversed. We have a half note and a pair of 8 notes. And again, it's big 1, little 2, 3, and. So hopefully this will make sense and all of you will successfully pass the music theory test.